She actually just throws me a plank.
Tony, there is a computer outside.
Fine, ma'am.
You're such a fucking child, dude. Your mom's gonna beat your ass.
Hey.
Hey, camera's got already wet.
No, I'm helping.
We're inside now.
The reason it works with the pencils is because it's
Oh!
clean it up. The reason it works with the pencils is because it stretches it out.
That's what she said.
Ow! Tony, you're gonna get makeup on your shirt. That's gonna be your fault. Ow!
She actually just throws me a punch.
Oh, really?
Pussy. It reminds you of the old times, right, Tony?
Shut up, bitch.
I got a new couch, guys. It's my new couch. I got a new couch. That's gonna be the title of the video. Got a new couch. Oh shit!
Everyone's being arrested when we get back. What the hell?
Sir, he's
Stolen
stealing property. Oh shit! This nigga just left this here. It just went in. Didn't mean to do it. Just making a poke a hole. It's gonna rust.
It's stainless steel, dumbass.
So it's gonna rust?
It's fuck the police.
Huh?
It's fuck the police. Oh shit, there's a cop behind us too.
No, bitch. We're gonna help you put it in right now. I'm just a camera guy.
I'll do it myself. Bitch, fuck. Ah, fucking cat.
His new couch. He's dragging. I was gonna help you. It's a love sack too. I'm a good friend, by the way. I want to see him struggle for a bit. I mean, there's in the house, so there's a knife he could have got.
Your house, but nothing's in it.
Fuck you. My ex took everything.
Who's fault is that? You gave me the TV.
Guys, my new couch.
It's not your new couch.
Hey, I don't like you dragging my couch like that, bro.
Hey, this is my couch.
Wait, where the fuck's the foot? Don't I have any?
I don't have fucking feet.
Did we miss something? Huh?
I might not.
Put it against that couch. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Mover.
Fucking result, you're all fucking vinyl.
Dude, don't say that.
It's actually a nice couch for this apartment.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, ain't wrong.
Alright, we're gonna throw that one out.
What the?
Do it by myself. I don't need no one else. Ask that little girl to help you out.